Yeah, it's funny what you can do when you're new to DIY. In fact, now all that's done, I might as well get my lunch on the go using my new gadget that I just got on my birthday. Good morning and welcome to the first vlog of 2021. Now I've only just woken up and I'm just gonna make my bed just before I start the day. Right, now that the bed's been made, now I've got another problem to deal with. All these shoes here. But I have the perfect solution to this little problem. You'll soon see in a minute. This here is actually going to solve my shoe problem. This is a 5-tier extending shoe rack. And hopefully, won't have to put up with any more shoes on the floor. Let's get it open. These nuts and bolts here. Now, that must be the legs right here. And those, the instructions here. Now, this is what the finished product should look like. What else have we got? Those. Got to be the rails for the racks. And I think that's pretty much about it. But before I put the rack up, let's get these shoes out of the way. And there they are, all gone. But where have they gone, I hear you ask? I'll just move them to the other side of the room. Anyway, enough of the mucking about. Let's get this rack set up. Managed to screw the first rail in place, and now we're going to screw the other side. Looks alright so far. Now for the rest of the rails. Now it's really easy to see that the shoe rack is now finally started to take shape. And just another 2 tiers left. So as you can see, the 5-tier shoe rack is now complete. Now let's see what would happen if I put the shoes on, shall we? So there you have it, folks. My new shoe rack is finally complete. Well, I had to put the slippers down there because I ran out of room on the top. As knowing me, the tall shoes wouldn't be able to fit among some of the other racks. Yeah, it's funny what you can do when you're new to DIY. In fact, now all that's done, I might as well get my lunch on the go using my new gadget that I just got on my birthday. Now this here is going to be the wrap technique that I've been learning from TikTok. And this little baby here is the new gadget that I was telling you about, which I'm going to be cooking my wrap in. The No Mess Waffle Maker by Lakeland. Now as you've just seen, I've just made a clear cut, just right down the middle. And now, just got to add in my ingredients. So as you can see, I finally added in, or rather set up, the waffle maker, which is where I'm going to be putting my wrap in. Let's have a look. Oh, I think it's ready. Look at that. Come on, look at the bottom of that. Nice and crispy, I love it. Might as well just leave that to cool for a bit before I wipe it over. Well, that's my lunch already. And for those who have been wanting to make waffle style wraps, I definitely recommend the No Mess Waffle Maker from Lakeland. Right, now that I've managed to fill up my stomach, I think it's time I did my steps for the day. Now I'm not going to take too long on the steps today because the battery on my phone is just about to go dead, and plus it'll soon be getting dark because the winter lights will be drawing in soon, so I can't wait for it to be spring, so I'll probably see you at home. Sorry about that, the battery on my phone just died on me when I was nearly home, but I'm home now and my phone is now charged up again. And now, just before I went out, I actually saw this on my doorstep. It was actually the parcel that I've been waiting for from Amazon, which, funny enough, wasn't supposed to come by at least at least another 4 days. So I might as well get it open now, and I'll show you what I've ordered. Now, as I'm sure you all know, that at the moment all the gyms are closed, so I decided to come up with a new approach and let the gym come to me. Let me show you why. Let's have a look at this. This is are those resistance bands that my friend Christian Wharton had actually recommended to me when he bought them off Amazon. Now I reckon that those have got to be the handlebars. Down here. And there's the other one right here. The other one. And on the back, it's actually written out in Japanese. Love it. Now in this bag, I reckon this is where they keep the resistance bands. Just open it up. Quite a few different colours to choose from. There's missing one out. And so you have black, red, blue, green and yellow. Nice. And I reckon this here, I believe, that you would actually put behind your door for when you do your resistance training. I'll soon figure it out and when I put it all together. Now I just figured out from this here that is actually what you put around your leg. Now, going back to the weight resistance bands again, so you have £10 for the yellow band, £15 for the blue band, £20 for the red, that's my favourite colour, £25 for green, and finally, highest of all, £40 for the black band. Now then, if you want to go for the top one, you take this door anchor, then you place the loop through that gap, which is should be about there. Then I'll just go around to the other side of the door, just shut the door, so that way the loop looks like that. So that way the anchor actually makes sure that the loop is tightly secured and makes sure that the door is actually fully shut as well. So as long as you're using your bathroom door, then you're fine. But if you're going to use the bedroom door, then you'll definitely be needing one of these. It's to stop anyone from trying to enter your room whilst you're doing your workouts. Right, so now I've connected up the £40 band to the green £25 band, and let's see what they got. Right, here we go. Brilliant. Sometimes I just don't even know my own strength. And so, if you ever struggle with getting motivation whilst the gyms are closed, then head over to Amazon, then get yourself the TheFitLife Resistant Band Gym Set. Then let the gym come to you. And so from there, I'm going to be wrapping up my first vlog of 2021. So, that's James Rowney signing off for the day. So, until next time, either a new vlog, recipe, compilation video, or reaction video. See ya!